Okay, so takina je của tụi tôi tỏ geranium đó là tụi tôi quan là sẽ đi tụi tôi panta là ý plan này có mong có ý mong bé cho giờ là tụi qua luôn nó em nằm mò giờ tháo nó chỉ tôi nó nằm mò là phá giờ takina là tôi chỉ chẳng có thì hai plan có ý mong là tôi qua theo lịch pan tôi muốn trả ta tôi muốn chọn đông sợ ta山道多山道Galling Gall, so super muddy. Super muddy. neighbors have a really nice clematis here. Got some nice peonies here. A bunch of other stuff here. This clematis is really beautiful. Look at that color. Super vibrant. A lighter pinkish purple on the edges. And then you got the dark purple stripe down the middle. Beautiful. That's what my little trellises at my house in Newport will look like once it gets this full. I don't believe it's this color, but once it gets full, it'll look like this. That's beautiful. They've got all the rebars in for DeSoto number 2, and they're working on cutting the rebars for DeSoto number 1. So they should have that all done before 11:30, before the inspector gets here. DeSoto 1, I believe all the electrical rough-in is completed. And for number 2 here, I think they're about halfway done. I'm gonna go in and check DeSoto number 1. Let's open up the door, go in and see. Okay, so here we are in DeSoto number 1. And this one is done. All the housing is in. All the receptacles are in. All the lines are run. Completely finished. Our plates. Sawdust everywhere. Lines everywhere. But the main thing is it's finished. So we're probably pretty close to 11 a.m. now. They've got about another half hour or so to wrap up forming this garage base here for DeSoto number 1 before the inspector gets here. Let's not go through here. Let's go over here to the patio door so we can see what those guys are doing. They're tamping everything down to make sure it's nice and tight.
don't know.
email 来咯，
Huh?
個 email 來了咯
I。sent an email to both of them saying that if you guys can't, here's my list of what I'm missing. Give me my refund and I'll go to Menards.
Micah's gonna be unhappy.
I told him flat out, unless you're gonna give me ETA this week. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Unless you're gonna give me ETA this week, then we'll. Cause I got a little bit of work left in here, you know what I mean? But I can swing it another week, but I'm not playing that bullshit, dude.
Yo, it kills a lot of your time.
Yeah. I told my wife too, I just go pick up all the